The Audi A6 has always stood at the intersection of luxury, performance, and tech, and for 2025, it's been elevated yet again. This is business class at its most elegant. Let's dive into what makes the new A6 sedan a serious contender in the executive segment. The 2025 Audi A6 receives a subtle yet striking refresh that refines its executive appeal. Up front, the broader single-frame grille dominates with a more sculpted mesh pattern, flanked by newly designed matrix LED headlights that give it a sharp, tech-forward gaze. Lower air inlets have been reshaped for a cleaner, more aerodynamic look. Move to the rear, and you'll notice the updated taillight signature sleek LED elements connected by a chrome strip that stretches across the trunk. It's classy, confident, and distinctly Audi. Depending on the trim, you can opt for 18 to 21-inch alloy wheels with designs ranging from understated luxury to sporty aggression. Step inside and the cabin feels like a mobile executive suite. High-quality materials, meticulous stitching, and a driver-oriented layout bring form and function together. The dual MMI touchscreens remain, offering haptic feedback and seamless controls. There's generous space for passengers, especially in the rear, making it perfect for long drives or business commutes. Ambient lighting and acoustic comfort enhance the atmosphere. Audi hasn't missed a detail. Under the hood, the A6 continues with a range of efficient yet capable powertrains, from the refined 2-liter 4-cylinder to the punchier 3-liter V6 with mild hybrid tech. The quattro all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension make handling feel precise and composed, even on twisty roads. It's smooth, confident, and never short on power. The 2025 Audi A6 doesn't reinvent the formula, it refines it. With elegance, intelligence, and unmistakable Audi DNA, this sedan proves that business class still leads the way on 4 wheels. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth looks at the latest cars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. More reviews, more cars, more performance, right here.